and I don't know what to do about it. Even if I did, I don't know if I would quit, but I doubt it. I'm taken by the thought of it, and I know this much is true. Baby, you have become my addiction. I'm so strung out on you, I can barely move, but I like it, and it's all because of you, and it's all because of you, and it's all because of you, and it's all because I never